great friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Gucema, and on my studio today, as you can see on my display, I want to show you how you can see your Instagram password. As you know, once you log in on Instagram, any other time you open your Instagram, you are not supposed to enter your password, and Instagram does not allow users to see their passwords. You know that you need a password whenever you want to log in on a new device, or anytime when you uninstall Instagram app on your phone. Now, to see your password, I'll just show you two methods. You can see it on your saved passwords, phone saved passwords. When you open your phone settings, you scroll down to Google Services. You tap on Google Services to open. Then you proceed to manage your account. Then on this part, you go to security. You tap on security. Then you scroll down. After tapping on security, you scroll down to password manager. Here you tap to open password manager. This is where you see all your passwords. Since you have Instagram, it will be here if it is saved on your phone. What you do, you just tap on it. The password is not saved on your phone. I'll just show you another method, the second method, where you can change your Instagram password without using your old password. You just go to your Instagram app, you tap to open, you go to your profile, you tap your profile, then you tap on these horizontal lines at the top. Here you tap there, then you go to settings. You again tap on settings. After settings, you go to security. Tap on security. After security, you tap on password. Tap on password. Reset using Facebook to get this new patch. So what you do, you just type your new password and then re-enter the new password to confirm. This one, how you get that, you'll have changed the password without using your older password. That is all for today. I hope you have enjoyed. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, turn on the bell for notification for you to be notified anytime I post a similar tutorial. Thank you so much. We'll meet again with another tutorial. Bye.